Hello, this is Nick Dancer with Dancer Concrete Design. We're in a gymnasium in Auburn, Indiana, and we're going to give you a quick tour about how we impact interior spaces, specifically on this job, a basketball court. So as you can see, we have a lot of tape and plastic laid out. This is actually for a basketball court line we're going to be staining into the surface today. I'm going to give you a quick close-up of what that looks like. So the team's been laying this out, marking out the spaces. We've polished this floor up to a certain level, and then before we do our final stain guard, we're actually going to use a stain in the floor. Unlike a paint, this stain is actually going to soak into the concrete, and it's not going to peel, chip, or flake like a paint would in time. So this is going to be one of the most long-lasting solutions, and also it's going to have a much deeper look to it rather than a surface level paint. So as you can see, we have everything taped and plasticed off, and then we're going to use an HVLP sprayer, which is the same type of gun used to spray automotive applications. And here is just a close-up showing that crisp line. We've taped and plastic. We're going to spray in between the line, and then when we peel our tape and plastic, we have a nice clean line here. Before we finish the floor completely, we'll peel all this tape and plastic up. We'll scrub the floor to remove any dye residue, anything that's going to be on the surface. So the only thing that stays is actually what soaked into the concrete. And then we'll put a final stain guard to protect the floor, put that final finish on this flooring application. Again, this is Nick Dancer with Dancer Concrete Design, and we're trying to share more about how we impact interior environments.